Alright, I'm going to Tampa right now. I've been on the highway for 22 minutes, and on the left side of me, I'm going I-75 north. On I-75 south has been traffic for the past 25 minutes, and I'm going to keep going. I'm going to record this shit and let all y'all motherfuckers know. Look at all this shit. Look at all this traffic. No cars are moving. None of those cars are moving. If it looks like they're moving, it's because my car's moving. They're all just standing still, bumper to bumper. Poor people. Ain't that a motherfucking bitch? If I was on my motorcycle, nigga, I ain't gonna say one damn motherfucking thing. Or, I mean, this can go all motherfucking day, yo.